Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this outfit for denim and jeans theme in Dress to Impress without VIP. Okay guys, first of all, you can choose this hairstyle and you're going to color it with this color, okay, for all the selection. And choose this bangs, make it the same color, and also this bang, okay, apply the same color. And you can choose this necklace, color it white, and also this necklace, color it white as well for all the selections. Okay, and you're going to put on this hat and you're going to color it with this color for the first selection, second selection, third selection, fourth selection, and fifth selection. Okay, and then I'm going to go to this area and I'm going to put on this top. Okay, for the color, just leave it like that, but we're going to change the material to denim for the first selection and also the second selection. Okay, and then I'm going to go to this area and I'm going to put on this item. I don't know what it is called, but just put on this item, and then we're going to color it with this color and we're going to make it a denim. Okay, and then we're going to choose this belt. Okay, and then I'm going to move to the skirt area. It's right here, and then I'm going to put on this skirt again, make it the same color. Okay, this one, and then we're going to make it denim. All right, and I'm going to put on this item, this accessory, make it this color. Okay, this one, and then I'm going to move to this area and I'm going to put on this bag, and then I'm going to make it this color. Oops, this one. Okay, and the next one, I'm going to go to the changing room. Okay, and I'm going to go to the coats item and I'm going to select this item. Okay, we can remove the watermelon and we're going to apply this color and make it denim, and put on this boot, and then I'm going to color it with this color. Okay, and then I'm going to select this leg warmer, apply the same color, and I'm going to make it a denim. And this is for the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.